The Kailasa Temple in Ellora is the world's largest monolithic structure, carved top-down from a single mountain of rock. The sheer scale, precision, and the estimated removal of 200,000 tons of rock in an incredibly short time frame, with seemingly primitive tools, defies conventional understanding of 8th century engineering. Look at this. This isn't a building, it's the ghost of a mountain. Over 1,200 years ago, in the hills of Ellora, Maharashtra, a single structure was created that challenges our entire understanding of ancient engineering. It's the Kailasa Temple, and it's not constructed, it was excavated. Imagine removing an estimated 200,000 tons of solid basalt rock from a mountain to leave behind a breathtaking 3-story Hindu temple. They didn't build it up, they carved it down. This top-down technique means zero room for error. Who had the geological knowledge to plan this? What tools cut through rock with surgical precision? And how was this monumental task completed in mere decades? This is the ultimate mystery of ancient Indian architecture, a lost science of sculpting the earth itself. The impossible top-down method. The most profound secret of Kailasa is its creation method. Standard construction is bottom-up. Kailasa is top-down. The Rashtrakuta builders began at the mountain's peak, carving trenches to isolate a single massive block of rock. Then, they meticulously sculpted inward and downward, simultaneously creating the roof, the pillars, the walls, and the foundation. This is not masonry, it is reverse architecture. A single mistake, a miscalculated angle at the top, and the entire structure would be ruined. It required an absolute mastery of geometry, structural load, and rock density. The scale and speed enigma. The scale is staggering. The complex is roughly 300 feet long, 160 feet wide, and 100 feet tall. To carve out the immense cavity and then shape the detailed structure would have required the daily removal of hundreds of tons of rock. Conservative estimates suggest the project was largely finished in about 18 years under King Krishna I. Historians are baffled. 200,000 tons in 18 years using only hand chisels and hammers? That requires an impossible workforce and efficiency, leading many to suspect that they either had access to advanced cutting technologies or an undocumented process of softening the rock. The missing rock and ancient science. Where did the estimated 200,000 tons of removed rock go? The lack of spoil heaps near the site is another perplexing mystery, suggesting the excavated material was meticulously used elsewhere or transported far away for a different, still unknown project. This hints at a highly organized, centrally planned geological operation. The Kailasa Temple is not just an architectural wonder, it is a monument to a forgotten ancient Indian science that could move mountains with unparalleled precision. Conclusion. The Kailasa Temple stands as a permanent riddle in stone. It is proof of a level of scientific ambition, artistic genius, and engineering mastery that is still unexplained. It forces us to ask, what forgotten wisdom allowed ancient artisans to turn a solid mountain into a towering, freestanding temple? And what other impossible structures, carved from the bedrock of the subcontinent, are waiting for us to rediscover their secret techniques? If you want to unearth more secrets of Sanatana wisdom, make sure you subscribe.